Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Tesla report for Thursday, December 22nd, 2022. Before I jump into the charts, just want to encourage you to please click like if you're watching right now each and every time. It helps us a great deal in being found on YouTube. Also, subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. It'll provide you notification each and every time new content has been uploaded for your reviewing. That includes the daily Apple and daily Tesla report. And if you would, please share the content, talk about it, share these videos with friends and colleagues. So, just the big picture. I like to start big picture and work my way in. The big picture after the October sell signal, we met our objective at the channel formations that are presently 164.46 to 172.57, and after bottoming out there for about a month last week, we sold off and clearly settled below them. Then setting off another meaningful sell signal that should, over the coming weeks, the next 2 to 3 weeks, next 3 to 5 weeks, by the end of January, I'd say at the latest, into this band of channel support as well. This is a different channel formation, a steeper channel formation. I'm not crazy about bottom picking this channel formation as an investor, certainly as a day trader, certainly as a swing trader, and a position trader who may play the 3 to 5 week position, because from 107.04 to 118.74 we can quite easily rally back into the 160s, 170s, 164.46 to 172.57 region within a full month of activity, where we encounter more significant resistance, able to contain buying on a quarterly basis. As I've been saying, I'm not comfortable playing the long side as an investor in Tesla until we can get up and over 172.57. And in terms of a swing trade that could last for a matter of 2 to 3 weeks or so, not until or unless we can close above this descending channel top at 183.81. Over the next few weeks, 172.57 and 183.81 will come closer and closer together. So it'll be an easier trade not only to sell into, but also to buy if settled above. And so that is sort of the big picture. Now, as far as, let's see here. I never know which chart, here we are. Okay. So we have a long-term trend line that we closed below Tuesday of this week, a couple of days ago, today at 144.07, maintains a heavy dynamic into later week. We could, there's 2 days left. I don't see this anymore. I thought it might play out within 3 to 5 days that we would test the 122.16 channel bottom, but 132.05 may be in reach today. And, you could call this a session containment level. I just don't like to confuse the support and resistance columns. I'd like to emphasize the fact that we remain heavy below 144.07, and while you certainly can buy 132.05 today as a day trader, I think that would be the extent of it. 132.05 is this simple trend line off the October-November low. So yes, it may contain daily selling pressures, but we remain heavy below the 140s, 144.07 I just gave a moment ago. And so closing, let's say, below 132.05, we're probably 2 to 3 days away from testing that 122.16 channel bottom, which you can see here. And as I mentioned earlier, by some point next week, later next week, it actually converges with this targeted zone anyway. So that's, we might, by the end of next week, actually continue south into this targeted zone of meaningful support between 107.04 to 118.74. 122.16, as you can see, is not far off the mark of 118.74 that I just showed a moment ago. And once again, a reminder that all the minor points have been carefully chosen. They're very well suited for aggressive day traders, but the trade of the day, it's selling 144.07 and covering that short position at 132.05 perhaps, or maybe going long at 132.05, and then if we break 132.05, playing the short side into the afternoon, and then potentially, sure, we may then test 122.16 on an intraday basis. That would be quite a sell-off today. I don't think the market has it right now, but who knows, right? Hi, if you enjoy watching our daily Tesla report, you'll love our daily Triple Q and SPY reports. They're presented in the same 5 to 10 minute video format. Our daily SPY and Triple Q analysis provides directional market signals that are correlated with highly specific price support and resistance levels. Whether your trading time horizon is short or longer term, we promise you a distinctive edge in your trading of the SPY and Triple Q. We offer a 5-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So go to wickedstocks.com right now and start receiving your daily SPY and daily Triple Q reports today. Now, as for the upside, pushing or opening above the 144.07 trend line, which you can see right here, we haven't fired a rally, and we should, up to 148.68. So we are heavy through the rest of the week and into next below 144.07. And then we actually show a reversal into through the rest of the week and into next if we can close above 148.68 today. And 148.68 is just a simple descending, steeply descending, I might add, channel top over the last 3 weeks of activity or so, better part of a month actually, 148.68. Now, as it drops again tomorrow and really converges with that 144.07 area, I'm going to beef this up to kind of a 2 or 3 star resistance because of its pivot point qualities. Because below 144.07, we're expecting possibly by the end of next week a completed objective in the 110 handle, as I showed earlier. And inversely, if we close above 148.68, we see a good low well into next week, because over the following 3 to 5 days, we should push into the 164.46 to 172.57 region, where the market encounters long-term resistance. So a lot I'm throwing at you here, lots of different time frames. Big picture through January, heavy below 164.46 to 172.57, anticipating over that time horizon the 107.04 to 118.74 region, which is dropping at a pretty good clip. And inside of all that, I'm isolating these 2 to 3, 3 to 5 day time horizons. And once again, we are heavy on the 3 to 5 day time horizon below 144.07, expecting continued new lows as we move into next week. And inversely, with regard to the 3 to 5 day time horizon, a counter trend rally if we close above 148.68 in the coming day or two. And as we move into tomorrow, I'll probably bump this up to a 2 star resistance, just sort of indicating that it's a significant level to take out to the upside, and we should see a pretty significant short cover rally into next week above 148.68. So for those of you who are swing traders and you hold positions overnight for a matter of 3 to 5 days, 1 to 2 weeks, it would be a green light on that to the upside if we close today above 148.68. Until then, no good reason to buy this market as a swing trader, in my opinion, until we break to 122.16, which is dropping at a pretty good rate. So with regard to swing trading, you're playing the short side below 144.07. No buy signal, no reason, in my opinion, to be long this market if we're just looking at the 3 to 5 day time horizon until we can get up and over 148.68. I think that pretty much rounds it out for Thursday's Daily Tesla Report. I'll be back again tomorrow with Fridays. You have a great evening.